Focus better with multiple desktops. This is something that, believe it or not, after all this time, I just discovered. Focus better with multiple desktops. Using multiple desktops can be a great way to organize your work and keep you focused on the task at hand. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thank you once again to the patrons of Ask Leo for making it all possible. askleo.com/patron for more information, including access to exclusive patron-only content. I am an idiot. With that admission out of the way, let me explain what triggered it today. I've been ignoring a feature in Windows that will have dramatic impact on my focus and productivity. I should get around to that someday. Today was the day. 4.5 years after Windows 10 was released, I finally get around to multiple desktops. Not only is it simple, but it will alter how I use my computer. Multiple desktops in a nutshell. Your desktop is everything you see when you look at your computer screen. The taskbar, the applications on your screen, your mouse pointer, everything. Multiple desktops, as its name implies, means having multiple sets of all those things. As I type this, I have one desktop that displays my web browser, with tabs open to several email accounts, Facebook, a WhatsApp session, and a streaming music player. Nothing work-related. In another desktop, I have a web browser open to askleo.com where I'm typing this article. I also have a text editor open on a scripting file I'm tweaking, Evernote sitting off to the side with reference information I use from time to time, and a virtual machine running Windows 10 Home ready for me to take screenshots of what I'm talking about here. Everything work-related. I can switch back and forth between those two desktops with a keystroke. It's like having two machines. Setting up multiple desktops. The magic begins with the Task View button on your taskbar. If it's not visible, right-click on the taskbar and ensure that Show Task View button is checked. Click on it to bring up a view of running tasks. Task View has several additional features, including things like a timeline of apps or web pages you visited recently, but I want to focus on the upper left, which includes a Plus New Desktop link. Click on that, and the top part of Task View display will be replaced with two desktop thumbnails and a new desktop link. Desktop 1 represents the previously existing desktop. You can see that it shows both Edge and Mail, which I have running. Desktop 2 represents the new desktop. It's empty. Of course, you can add even more desktops, but we'll stick to 2 for now. Click on Desktop 2, and you'll be taken to your new empty desktop. Using two desktops. With Desktop 2 active, I've clicked on the Microsoft Store icon just to have an example of something different running. My machine now has two desktops. The first is running Mail and Edge. The second is running the Microsoft Store app. Everything in each continues to run while I work on the other. Switching between desktops. One way to switch between multiple desktops is by clicking on the task view in the taskbar and then clicking on the desktop you want to view. I find the keyboard much faster. Specifically, Control plus Windows key plus right arrow moves through the desktops in increasing order, i.e. from desktop 1 to desktop 2. Control plus Windows key plus left arrow moves through the desktops in decreasing order, i.e. from desktop 2 to desktop 1. In each case, your entire desktop, everything you see, will be replaced with the contents of the desktop to which you are moving. Why use multiple desktops? As the title of this article implies, for me, it's all about focus. I can place distractions like email, Facebook, and messaging programs in a desktop of their own and then switch away from it. Out of sight, out of mind. The second desktop has everything related to my work. I can focus on what I need to focus on, distraction-free. And yet, should I need it, everything else is just a quick keystroke away. You may find other ways to leverage multiple desktops to organize what you're doing. Multiple desktop drawbacks. One drawback to using multiple desktops is resource usage. You'll end up using more RAM and CPU, but not for the reason you might think. Sure, the implementation of multiple desktops itself uses some resources, But what I'm finding is that I simply have more programs running while I'm using it. Most commonly, I have more browser windows open, each using whatever resources it uses. And even though you might not be looking at a specific desktop and the programs running on it, they're still running, using the resources they use. Multiple desktops can be a very useful feature to organize what you're doing, assuming your machine is up to it. I should have started using it years ago. For links related to this article, or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/113674. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.